Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. So, I got a surprise in the mail. I was not expecting this, but Softflex Company mailed me a kit that I didn't sign up for and requested that I do video or videos of it after October 25th. So you'll see this after October 25th because they will do the unveiling on October 25th. I'm going to go ahead and do an unveiling video as well now, and then I will make something with this. I was thinking about getting this kit, and it may be sold out by the time this airs. I'm not sure. They will have a new kit available on October 25th that will be unveiled in November, and that one will be called Gingerbread Jewelry Design Kit. That one intrigues me, and I'll probably be getting that as well, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna let's see what this says. This one is called, like I said, Birds of a Feather, in this pretty blue paper, like robin's egg blue, right? And let's see. Okay, so they've already unveiled this by the time you're seeing it, and they send you a little a coupon. They talk about when they're going to unveil October 25th, 6 p.m. Eastern for me, or 3 p.m. Pacific, and you have to figure out the ones in between as far as time zones. And then on the back, they give you the content. So I'm going to open it. Let me uncrinkle it over here, hopefully. Actually, I can do it right on here because my microphone is now way up here. And hopefully you can hear me. And I'm sorry for the crinkling. And I tore that to pieces. They always have a nice little sticker saying thank you on. I love that. Softflex is a good company. I really enjoy getting their kits and working with them. I stopped for a while because I have some I haven't finished. Oh, look at all these blues. You know I like my blues and turquoises. Okay. So we got the dark blue lapis color beading wire. Love that color. It's not quite a navy and not quite a royal. It is more like a lapis, or it almost looks like those electroplated agates and stuff I've seen. It's sort of a cross between a turquoise and a dark blue. I love it. It's beautiful. Then we got some crimp tubes. Let me see. It looks like they're going to be gold this time. Yeah. And in the past, we've gotten about 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. Roughly 20 crimp tubes, 2 by 2 millimeter. And then there's some goodies in here. I don't want to ruin my nails. One sec. Okay, everyone, I'm back. So we got gold ear wires with the ball. We got 2 pair, or four ear wires. They're a thin wire, but they feel firm at least. 12 millimeter gold lobster claw clasp, and I always like to check that they work, and it does. Thank you, thank you. Raven's Journey bird coin beads in turquoise, and these look like about a 10 or 12 millimeter, so they're turquoise glass with a gold etched bird, which is double-sided, so you could have, I guess, oh no, the birds face the same way. I was going to say you could have them facing each other if you flip it over, but no, it's the same on the other side. So anyway, those are the coins. And you know I love my turquoise, and I love birds too. I actually have a bird feeder right outside my window, which I need to fill. And then, I'm not seeing this on here, am I? Vintage branch. Vintage usually is brass. And Tiara cast. It makes me sad. Botanical bird link and oxidized brass plate. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. Okay, it's even prettier on this side. And it's got links or holes in each of the 4 corners. So it's birds on this side, and then on this side it's also decorated. That's really cool. So it's like the branch goes around, you know. Really cool. Love that. And this doesn't have any holes in it, so you'd have to wire up. It has some weight to it. Okay, and then 4mm Drook in blueberry. Those are in the bag. These are these. Okay, so there's different and 3mm rounds in blue. So the Drooks in blueberries are this color, sort of a purpley blue, you know, like a blueberry. And then the littler ones are 3mm round beads in blue. Okay, cool. I love blue. Table cut strand in navy blue. That is these, and these are like an elongated oval with some kind of a finish. I don't know if that's like travertine or Picasso or what kind of. It doesn't look like Picasso. I'm not sure what that finish is called. Very pretty though. I like those. Then pinch bead strand in gold. I've been getting pinch beads a lot lately. They must be pretty popular, but I do not have them in this color. And it's gold, but it also has some copper. There's a few copper interspersed in there. And it looks like you get about, I don't know, 25 or so on there. And then 4mm polished, fire polished bead strand in bone. Definitely does look like a bone color or a taupe, a light taupe perhaps. And they are faceted, fire polished. And then 3mm, they have it as Dirk, but it's Drook bead strand in turquoise. Drook is basically a round bead. So we have 3mm in turquoise, and then we also have 3mm in blue. One sec. So those were the items that Softflex put in the kit. Well, Softflex puts everything in their kit, but the rest of it is an exclusive design elements. Design elements are my favorite, I think my favorite things from Jesse James Beads, because sometimes the strands, the beads are too big for my taste. But I enjoy the design elements quite a lot. See, that goes really well with those, and the gold would go really well with it too. So you get quite a number of beads just in those strands, and I believe these kits are $33.95 a month. It is a surprise. Like I said, the next one will be called Gingerbread Jewelry Design Kit. Gingerbread. So I wonder what we'll have in there. Anyway, this is called Birds of a Feather. So let's see what we have in here. We have some faceted crystal rondelles, and they're on the large side, and they're in like a navy. They almost have a dusty, maybe they're just dirty. I don't know. They look dusty to me. But that's those. So I guess we have bluebirds. These sparkly blue, they're not disco balls, but they're like rhinestone balls. And then these beauties, I think these are acrylic actually. I don't think they're gemstone, but they look like a gemstone, right? They've got turquoise with brown in them. And I got 4 of those, and they look to be about 10mm. I don't have my little ruler here, but these are about 10 by 8, I'm gonna say 8 by 10. And these I think are maybe 9mm, maybe 8. I don't know. They look bigger than 8 because this looks like 8. This looks like about 9 millimeter. So anyway, and then these are look like 10. Okay, and then we do have some pearls in here. Oh, I lied. I got more of those. Nope, these are a different color. So we got 2 of these in a little bit different color, and then I got 4 of these sort of teal pearls, glass pearls. Interesting. And those are a tad smaller than these. I don't know about the sizing. I'm a little confused. But these are 8mm, I'm certain. And then we have what looks like like a sesame jasper. And it looks like I got 3 of those. So they're speckled like bird eggs are often speckled. We do have a few of these bead caps that are patinaed, like when copper gets patinaed. We have a few, my mat keeps sliding, sorry. We have a few of these cubes, and that's in like a, I don't know, they're very sparkly. Almost has a hint of taupe and a hint of copper in it. It's interesting color. I'm not sure what that's called, but I like it. Got 2 crystal, like 6x8 faceted rondelles. And then there are quite a number of these clear with gold around the edge. I guess table cut. They're almost like a rounded rectangle is what I'll call them. And it looks like, is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. They're cool. I like them. Haven't gotten those before, so yay. Oh, I found 2 more of those bead caps, so we got 4 of them. And then 4 of these. These are kind of heavy. I don't know that I'd use these for earrings unless you had only lightweight stuff with them, because they have a little weight to them. Perfect for a bracelet or something though, or multi-uses. The gold wavy coin beads. I see some feathers in here, so let's pull them out. And they're sort of they're not a regular gold. They're like almost like a rose gold, to show you the difference. This is a gold. This to me is like a like a rose gold, I think, or a, I don't know, how would you call them? They're not totally rose gold either, but they're definitely a lighter gold than what I call this real gold color. They're not a yellow gold. They're a pink gold, pinkish gold, and I've got 4 of them. And they are finished nicely on both sides, so yeah. We got some bird beads, and there are, oh, they're charms. They have a little hole on their, above their head. I thought they were beads, but oh, I don't have any of those, so that's cool. I have some bird beads with the hole going down the middle, but I don't have charms. Cool. And 1, 2, 3, 6 of those, so yeah. And then we got some super duos, or I think these are twin beads actually. They look a little smaller than super duos, and they're in like a red with gold finish, and I think they would, well, I have an idea for them. I'm not going to share it right now. So that is the Birds of a Feather design kit, and this will probably air on the 26th because I want to give Softflex time to air theirs, and I will come back sometime soon with some makes, and I'll try and do, you know, bead along with me kind of thing after I design it, or while I design it maybe even. I'm really interested in using all these birdie goodness because like I said, I do love birds. I don't know if people buy jewelry that has birds on it or not. I haven't tried to sell it that often, but maybe. Anyway, I'll have fun making it. So that's what counts too. And every month when you get these kits, you get, at least so far, you get 10 feet of Softflex beading wire in a coordinating color, and some findings, some crimp tubes, which are always useful, and a good amount of them. And I do have the special crimper, I forget what it's called now. Anyway, the one that turns it into a little bead, and I do use that when I use Softflex crimps and beading wire. It works really well with those. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. Please come back and see. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. And Softflex, thank you so much. I will be emailing you about some information you mentioned in the letter you sent along. So, yeah, thank you again, and I will talk to you all very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.